So, welcome and good morning. We have started with chapter 5. That is web designing using HTML. So, furthermore, HTML tags we are going to learn in this lesson. So, in this, we started with list. Okay, a list means a set of items that is placed one below the other is known as a list. So, your list is being classified into three types, that is ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. So, ordered list and unordered list. Ordered list in the sense you have a particular sequence of numbering. So the sequence of numbering could be either small letter A, capital letter A, 1, that is digit as 1, then Roman numerals in the capital form and small letter form. Any way you can have the numbering sequence. It is not a compulsory that it should always start with 1 or A. In between this ordering sequence also you can start. So for that only you have your start attribute. So this is regarding your ordered list created with a container tag known as OL and close OL. Is it clear? Then the list of items will be written along with your LI tag, which could be neither treated as an container tag nor as a singular tag. So but preferably we always write it only as a container tag. Okay, so the next one is your unordered list. Unordered list is written with the help of your UL tag, which is again a container tag. So unordered list can also be told as your bulleted list. Okay, so bulleted list, how you can create is with the help of your UL tag, and we should give the type attribute. So the type attribute gives you what type of bullets you wanted to create. So the three main types of bullets that we have here are circle, square, and disc. So based on these two types of list, we have written a small program. I have just shown you the coding as well as the output, how it will be present on your browser. So till this we have completed in the last class. So the next what we are going to learn about is known as your definition list. So definition list in the sense we are defining certain terms. In our physics, chemistry and all, you people are learning lots of definitions, yes or no? So similar way to present that, in that similar way only we are making use of the definition list. Okay, so to create a definition list you have three main tags, and all the three tags are paired tags. Okay, to create a definition list you have three main tags, and all the three tags are your container tags or your paired tags. Is it clear? So here definition list, generally we have to first create the list. So creation of the list is done with the help of your DL tag. So creation of the list is done with the help of your DL tag. In between this DL tag, that is open and close DL tag only, you have two more tags. In between this open DL and close DL, you have two more important tags, that is DT and DD. Okay, so for example, you are learning about definition known as Fleming's right hand thumb rule. Yes or no? So that is the name of that rule. That is the name of that rule. That name of that rule is here could be treated as a definition term. That the name what we are going to apply could be treated as a definition term. Each term will be written with the help of your DT tag. So you have to write it in between this. I have put a dot 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 over here, right? So in between this portion you have to write that term. Okay, so for what which definition you are going to create, then you have to define that term. Okay, define that data, define that data. That is what it is. That Fleming's thumb rule you have for your thumb finger, your forefinger and your middle finger, right? So these three fingers, about that rule you have to write about in a perfect way. So that term definition, okay, the term definition will be written with the help of your DD tag. The term definition will be written with the help of your DD tag. So in between a DL tag, in between a open and close DL, you can have as many number of DT and DD. Okay, no compulsion, only one should be given. You can have more than one definitions also inside your DL tag. Is it clear? So we'll just see a quick example regarding this and then we'll move on to the next topic. Okay. So we'll just see an example regarding this. So to define, so for example, I'm not going to go with any of your physics or chemistry. I'm going to go along with our own subject only. Okay. So first we should know how to define a definition list. So for defining the definition list, first I'll give it as DL. Then the definition term I have to give, that will be given with DT. So for example, I'm going to write about a mouse. So I'll give mouse inside DT and then I'll close DT over here. Then I have to write about what that mouse is used for, right? So that I will write it in DD. I'll write it as it is a pointing device. It is a pointing device. Okay. I'll write like this and then I'll close my DD tag and then I'll close my DL tag. I'll close my DL tag. So this is how we'll be creating a definition list. So always after we make any changes in our program, we have to save it. I have used the keyboard shortcut. I'll come to the browser. Now I'll just refresh the browser. Now just please look into the bottom part of the browser screen. Now just please look into the bottom part of the browser screen. Now here you can see the terms defined over here, how the definition list is being created. So with the help of your DT tag, you have created the heading. See how it is present? Then with the help of your DD tag, you have defined what the definition is. So that is given over here. So could you please see this on the screen? So like this, you can go on to create as much number of definitions as possible. Okay. This is just one example. One more I'll include and show you. So I told you in between an open and closed DL, you can have as many number of definition terms. So the next what I'll do is I can go on to write about keyboard. So I'll write it as DT. I'll type as keyboard. I'll close DT. And then I have to write the definition for keyboard. So I'll write it is an input device. It is an input device. So simply I'll write something very simple. Okay. I'll close my DD and then only my DL tag is closed. So in between, see now here you can see there are two definitions placed over here. There are two definitions placed over here. Yes. So in between an open and closed DL, you can place as many number of definitions, but you have to follow. Each DT will be followed by a DD tag. So like this you can do. I'll just control S, that is to save my file. I'll come to the browser. I'll just refresh it. You can see at the bottom part of the screen. Please look into the bottom part of the screen. You can see the next definition is also included here. So this is how we'll be using the definition list. Is this clear for you? So the next is about nested list. The next is about nested list. I'll teach you what a nested list is. So here we didn't write any example for this. So I'll just type an example for you and I'll show you how to write a nested list. Okay. So ordered list. So nested list means a list placed inside another list is known as your nested list. A list placed inside another list is known as your nested list. Okay. Ordered inside unordered. Combinations could be any way. Okay. You can place an ordered list inside unordered or a definition list, unordered list inside ordered or definition list, definition list inside ordered or unordered list. You know, nested means what? Something which is placed one inside another is known as your nested. So the similar way, even your list concept can be nested. Namla plus one loops padichittunde. What is meant by nested loops? Placing one loop with inside another loop is known as your nested loop. Appo adil for loop, while loop, do while loop. Ed loop inde ullil venengilum you can go on to nest any loop. So the same way, adepole thaneyana here also. Inside one type of list, you can go on to nest another type of list. Okay. So now we'll just see a short program, small program based on this. I'll just type how the program is going to be. I'll be typing it bit fast. So kindly cooperate with me and listen to it. Okay. So here you have, see, like this only you'll be getting a question. Okay, you'll be getting a question like this. That is, the output will be given for you. This is the small box over here is the output. This output will be given for you, and then based on this output, you have to understand it very clearly and write out the tags. Okay. So this program, though it is typed over here, if I just simply explain verbally tell, you will not be able to understand how it goes and all. So I'll just type and show you. While I'm typing, please take your notebooks and write it down. Okay. So next is your definition list. So this is the question that is given to you. So now listen, inside this definition list, so I'm going to make small changes in this also. Okay. Inside this nested list, nested list, the first one what you're starting is with an ordered list. The first one you're going to start is with an ordered list. Can you see why I tell it as ordered list? It is because it is starting with a number series of 1. It is starting with a number series of 1, and then the item is given. Then you see over here you have bullets over here. So immediately after your OL, another list is getting open. That is your unordered list. And you have the list of items placed over there. I'm not going to place all the 4 items. Just for example, 1 or 2, I'll just type and show you. Okay. And I'll be making a small change over here also. So shall I start typing? And please write down in your notebook. Okay. So the first we are going to start with your OL tag. Okay. So always try to give the type attribute. Type is equal to 1. Okay. And then below that, you have to give the list item. What is that list item over here? What is that? Input device. So LI, I'll give it as input device. And then I'll close LI. Okay. Then look into the next line. What is it? Here, your unordered list is getting started. Yes or no? Your unordered list is getting started. So you have to start with your unordered list. That is the opening part of your unordered list. ഇതോടുകൂടി നിങ്ങളുടെ ordered list കഴിയുന്നില്ല. Input device കൊടുത്തതോടുകൂടി your ordered list is not going to end. See, after your unordered list, again your ordered list is getting continued. Can you see the number over here? That is 2. Then in between you have another unordered list. Then coming over here you have another, that is the ordered list is getting continued. So ordered list one continuation aanu ningal start attribute veche ezhudarudhu. Is it clear? So you have to write out very correctly. So the method I am following, please follow and write it in your notebooks. So LI I have given. The next is I am starting with the unordered list. Can you see? So I'll come over here. I'll start my unordered list. UL type equal to circle. I'll give. Spellings should be correct, which is very important. Okay, circle I have given. Then I'll give it as LI. I'm going to give only 2 items. Okay, LI keyboard. Only 2 items I'm going to give. LI mouse I have given and I have closed LI. Appa idodu goodi. Okay, I'll type of everything. Then scanner. LI CAN scanner. close li. I have closed it. Then the next line, I'll open li and I'll write micr, and then I have closed li. അപ്പോൾ ഇതോടുകൂടി with this our definite അതായത് ordered list is getting unordered list is over. Yes or no? ഇതോടുകൂടി ആ example നോക്കൂ, screen sequence നോക്കൂ. Your unordered list is over. അപ്പോൾ now what you have to do is now you have to close your unordered list. You have to close your unordered list. But see, the next line you have your output device written with the numbering sequence too. എന്ന് വെച്ച് it doesn't mean that ഇവിടെ ഒരു പുതിയ ordered list തുടങ്ങാനല്ല. We have already opened an ordered list. ഇവിടെ ഈ 1 start ചെയ്തില്ലേ? So that 1 is present over here. ഇവിടെ ഇരുന്ന് start ചെയ്തത് you have to keep continuing. അവിടെ break ചെയ്യാനല്ല പറയണത്. It is a continuous sequence. Okay. അപ്പോ the next one is അപ്പൊ എന്താ output device എന്നുള്ളത് ordered listന്റെ list item ആയിട്ട് വരും. Output device will be ordered list item. Okay, so here I'll come down, I'll just type as li and then I'll type as output device. Okay, and then I'll close my li. So now the number 2 of your ordered list is also given out. Okay, and after this, see what is it? After this, see what is it? This is again your unordered list. This is again your unordered list. So I can go on to include an unordered list also. Okay, so I'll create, what is it? How should I start? I should start with ul tag. Okay, ul tag, and then my type attribute, what is it? You have to see it very clearly. That is your disk. DISC is the spelling. So I've given as disk, and then what is it? What are the items? Items are printer. I'll close my li tag. Then next line, I'll open my li tag. That is monitors. I'll close my li tag. Next, I'll open li. What is it? Speakers. I'll close my li tag. Now, with this again, see, listen. With this again, your li tag, അതായത് ol tag, unordered list, ul tag is over. ഈ 3 items ullo ul tag. So with this, your unordered list is over. So you have to close your unordered list here. You have to close your unordered list here. Appo ul close chedu. Okay. Now again, see, it is a continuous sequence of your ordered list. 1, 2, 3. Appo this is again comes as your list item for ordered list. This again comes as a list item for ordered list. Appo ordered list in the continuous sequence aanu. So you're going to include only as a list item. I'll write it as list item. So list item, what is it? Memory device. MEMORY, memory device. Okay, I'll close the list item. See, for example, okay, I'll go with the example given. Inside this, you can have another ordered list also. Okay, ipo njan oru change ivide varuthana. Here it is given as circle. Okay, this I'm going to make a small change. I'll make it as an ordered list itself. I'll make it as an ordered list itself. Okay, so what I'm going to do over here is ivide ol tag open cheyum, and I'll give the type attribute as Roman number small I. Roman number small I. Okay, I'll close the angular brackets. Then I'll give the list items. What is it? One is hard disk. Hard disk. I'll close the li tag. Then again I'll open li. What is it? CD ROM. I'll close li. Next, li, that is flash drive. Close li. Now listen, be careful. This ordered list is for this. അതായത് ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ ഒരു ചെറിയ change for you to understand that even an ordered list also can be included എന്നുള്ളത് പറയാനായിട്ടാണ് I have changed the type over here. Okay, I have made this as Roman numbers 1, 2, 3. Okay, So now this ordered list I have to close. First I have to close this ordered list. So first I'll close that ordered list, close OL. Then here I have opened one ordered list, yes or no? The first ordered list. This I have to close. So that again I'll close it over here. I'll close it as like this. Okay. So I have typed my entire program. Now I have typed my entire program. After typing, see, check for the spellings by yourself, as your browser will not tell you the errors. So you have to be very careful with the spellings what you are typing, especially some spellings I have told you, be very careful. Okay. So this I have typed. I'll press Ctrl S, that is save my file. I'll come to the browser screen. Wait 1 minute, let me take my browser. So this is my browser screen. I'll just refresh it. Okay. I'll just refresh it. Please come on to look at the bottom part of the screen. Please come on to look at the bottom part of the screen. നമ്മൾ എഴുതിയ പോലെ തന്നെ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ടോ? That is one example I have shown you. Yes or no? ഒരു ചെറിയ example I have shown you. Yes? Can you see this? Almost ഇതേപോലെ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. The last part alone I told you I am going to make a small change, that is small letter Roman letters, lowercase of your Roman numbers I am going to give. So the same way how it is given in the question, is it present in the same way? So this is how you will get a question and you have to answer it. Okay. So in this chapter, mostly your questions could be direct and indirect. Indirect in the sense you will receive the outputs. അതായത് outputs ഒരു screenൽ capture ചെയ്തത് they'll show you. So you have to understand all the things what is given over there. Okay.